how to do a full screen preview in Davinci Resolve. So here I have a random video that I imported. For some reason, nowhere does it say where the full screen preview, so I'm just gonna show you. It's a hotkey and it's Ctrl F, or if you're using a Mac, it is Command F. Now, how you control this video is by just pressing the space bar, or you can hold the right key to play the video, or you can hold the left key to preview the video in reverse. Now you can exit here, but you can also exit the full screen with the exact same hotkey, which is Control F. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.